I've spent countless hours testing out laser engravers so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. If you're a hobbyist, an entrepreneur, or just someone curious about this technology, stick around. I'm diving deep into the top 5 laser engravers on the market today, sharing my real experiences, pros and cons, and why you should or shouldn't invest in them. Product number 1, Longer Laser Engraver Ray 55W. When I first unboxed the Longer Laser Engraver Ray 55W, I felt a sense of excitement. This machine seemed to promise everything I was looking for in a DIY laser engraving solution. The first thing that struck me was its sleek design. Measuring 12.2 x 23.6 x 5.9 inches and weighing 8.26 pounds, it doesn't take up much space on my workbench. As I set it up, I was impressed by how straightforward the assembly process was, thanks to the detailed guide provided. I plugged it in, fired it up, and the 3.5 touchscreen lit up, which felt pretty high-tech. The first project I tackled was a simple wooden sign. With a working area of 400 x 400, I knew I had ample space to play around. The engraving speed of up to 10,000 min was enticing, and boy, did it deliver. The 0.08 laser spot made my intricate designs look crisp and clear. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the high-speed performance of the Ray 5 was a game changer. The advanced processing power allowed me to experiment with a variety of materials, from wood to acrylic and even glass. I never felt limited by my choice of materials. The ability to connect via USB, TF card, Wi-Fi, and app gave me flexibility that I really valued as someone who likes to switch up projects on the fly. Safety features like emergency shutdown and overheating prevention were comforting, especially when working late at night. However, no product is without its drawbacks. While I appreciated the 24/7 customer support, I wish the initial setup had included more troubleshooting guidance. The manual was decent but could have been more comprehensive for first-time users. So why should you buy the Longer Ray 5? If you're looking for a laser engraver that combines speed, precision, and versatility, this is a solid choice. It's perfect for hobbyists and small business owners alike who want to create intricate designs without breaking the bank. For just $178.05, you're getting a machine that can elevate your creative projects to a whole new level. Product number 2, CRELITY Falcon 222W. Upon receiving the CRELITY Falcon 222W, I was immediately struck by its robust construction. Weighing in at a hefty 300+ pounds, it felt like a serious machine meant for serious work. The moment I turned it on, the powerful 22W laser made its presence known, and I was excited to put it through its paces. I quickly set up a project to engrave a design on a cylindrical object using the integrated rotary roller. This feature is such a game changer. Whether I was working with mugs or bottles, the adjustable jaws made clamping objects a breeze. When it comes to pros, the Falcon 2 stands out with its air assist feature. This addition kept my surfaces clean and ensured that my lines were crisp. I found that it reduced the risk of distortion and discoloration, which is a significant concern when working with heat-sensitive materials. The productivity gains were noticeable, especially when I needed to complete a batch of engraved items for a client. However, the setup process was a bit more complicated than I anticipated. It took me a while to get everything aligned just right, and I could see how a novice might struggle with it. So why should you consider the Falcon 2? If you're serious about laser engraving and looking to start a side hustle, this machine will pay for itself in no time. The price of $654.55 might sound steep, but the features you get, including the 4-in-1 rotary roller and air assist, make it worth every penny. It's a fantastic investment for anyone wanting to produce high-quality, professional-grade work. Product number 3, Creality Falcon 5W. The Creality Falcon 5W laser engraver caught my attention with its compact design and impressive specs. Weighing 10.58 pounds and with dimensions of 17.32 x 9.33 x 24.8 inches, it's not too bulky but definitely feels sturdy. Setting it up was surprisingly easy. Within just 15 minutes, I was ready to start engraving. This allowed me to create intricate designs that truly popped on wood and acrylic. One of the standout features was its ability to handle over 200 different materials. I tested it on leather, and the results were stunning, clear, detailed engravings that I could use for personal projects or gifts. The working area of 400 x 415 was generous enough for larger projects, and I appreciated that I could upgrade it with a rotary roller for cylindrical items. However, I did find the speed of 10,000 min a bit slower compared to some competitors, but the precision made it worthwhile. The safety features were commendable too. With an eye protective cover and an active stop function, I felt secure while using it. If you're looking for versatility and ease of use, the Falcon 5W is a great option. Product number 4. Creality Falcon 10W. The Creality Falcon 10W Laser Engraver was a pleasant surprise for me. I was intrigued by its powerful specifications, especially the effective 72W output capability. This machine felt robust, and as I started using it, I quickly realized it could handle various materials from wood to metals. The 0.06 mm compressed spot laser module allowed for incredibly detailed engravings. I was able to engrave a complex design on a wooden board with minimal effort, and the results were quite impressive. The ability to cut through 12 mm wood and 5 mm acrylic in one pass was particularly satisfying. And let me tell you, the speed at which it operated was remarkable. My projects were completed faster than I expected. However, as with any product, there were some downsides. The setup process could be daunting for newbies. There's a bit of a learning curve to get everything dialed in just right. But once you get the hang of it, the machine operates like a dream. So why should you consider the Falcon W? If you're looking for a versatile, powerful engraver that can tackle a variety of projects, this is an excellent choice. At $189, it's a solid investment for anyone serious about laser engraving. Product number 5. Creality Laser Engraver 10W. The last machine I tested was the Creality Laser Engraver 10W, and I was curious to see how it stacked up against its competitors. This model features a 72,000 MW machine power, which is pretty impressive. The first thing I noticed upon unboxing was its sturdy build quality. Assembly took just around 15 minutes, and I was ready to go. I started with a simple project, and the engraving speed blew me away, up to 10,000 mem. The precision was also commendable, with an accuracy of 0.004 inches, making it suitable for detailed work. I found the anti-UV filter to be a thoughtful addition, greatly reducing the risk of eye damage while working. However, I did have some initial issues connecting it to my computer. The software compatibility with Lightburn and Laser GRBL was good, but I had to tweak settings to get it right. Despite this, the overall performance delivered excellent results. If you're looking for a reliable engraver that's easy to operate and offers solid customer support, this model is a great option. Priced at $195, it's a worthy addition to anyone's workshop. In conclusion, each of these laser engravers has its strengths and weaknesses, but they all offer unique features that cater to different needs. Whether you're a hobbyist or looking to start a small business, there's an option in this list for you. I hope my insights help you make an informed decision. Happy engraving!